We'll guide you through how to host an HTML website online for free. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're handing over the video to Pausa now, who's going to continue.
Just go ahead and open any browser to your liking. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then in the search bar, just go ahead and search for netlify.com and then press enter. And after that, you will land in this interface. Now here, just go ahead and log in with your ID if you already have an account, or just go ahead and create one by clicking on sign up. And as for me, I already have a ID, so I'm just gonna go ahead and log in. And once logged in, you will land in this interface. Now here at the left hand side, you will land at the project. Now you will also see the list of websites that you have previously hosted, and as for me, I have one website. So first, make sure you have your HTML website files ready. This should include your main HTML file, usually called index.html, along with any CSS, JavaScript, or image file that your website uses. So just go ahead and go to browse files to upload, and after that, navigate to the folder where you have your file. In my case, it's going to be here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and select my file and then choose to open. And here you can see we have to rename it to index.html. So just go ahead and choose rename and deploy. After that, just wait for the upload to complete, as it may take some time. And now you can see when you go to this particular link and then click on it, your website will be successfully online. So now if you want to change the name of your website, just go ahead and go back, and then here, just go ahead and go to project configuration, and here you will see an option for change project name. Just go ahead and click on it, and here just go ahead and delete the pre-existing name. And then, so let's say I want to type something like GuideRealm demo. After that, you can just go ahead and click on save, and now your project will be successfully updated. So now when I go to the previous website and then reload, you will see that it will not work. So just go ahead and go back, and then just go ahead and click on this particular link, and now you can see your project is now successfully online. You can just go back and go to domain management, and then here you can choose to add a domain, and then you can buy a domain, or if you already have a domain, you can use this particular option.